AI is everywhere right now, flooding your feed, popping up in every tool you use, and changing faster than anyone can keep up with. It feels like if you stop to breathe, you'll fall behind. Every day there's a new model, a new trick, a new must-know shortcut, and yet half the time, you still feel unsure about the basics. You watch people say they built a funnel in 10 minutes or wrote a week's worth of emails with one click, and you're wondering what you're missing. It's not that you're not capable, it's that the pace has made learning feel impossible to catch up on. You don't need another 1,000-page manual or a confusing webinar. You need short, daily hands-on exercises that help you learn by doing. Each challenge below gives you something you can try today in your own business, something that takes minutes, but teaches you the kind of muscle memory that makes it start to click. You'll see how each task directly impacts your marketing, your workflow, and your bottom line. You'll get a sample prompt, so you know exactly what to type. You'll also learn what to look for in the results, so you can tell whether the AI output is helping or needs tweaking. The point isn't to do all 365 perfectly. It's to start anywhere, practice daily, and gain confidence one small challenge at a time. Maybe one day you'll teach the AI how to brainstorm better hooks. The next, you'll use it to rewrite your product descriptions or to spot gaps in your audience messaging. Over time, you'll begin to think like a strategist instead of a follower. You'll understand how to shape prompts that get results instead of noise. Think of these videos as your training gym for either place where repetition leads to mastery. You'll build skills that translate into faster launches, better content, smarter campaigns, and less wasted time. You don't have to chase every new update. You just have to start here. Take one small challenge each day, and let your confidence grow naturally until AI feels less like chaos and more like your smartest business partner.